Hello friends, welcome to Build Learning Club. So in this tutorial we play with AI. So at first we will uh, create an image of any cartoon character or any character. Let's create the image of any character. So in AI, what is the main thing? The main important thing is the prompt, P-R-O-M-P-T. Okay, so main thing is prompt. So at first how can you create a prompt? I will create the prompt from ChatGPT. So this is the best way to create any prompt. So here I just type create a prompt, create a prompt for creating a picture of Doraemon and Nobita. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so here is a prompt. So now I just copy this prompt and you can just paste it in Shora also. This is the Shora, uh, it's by ChatGPT. So here you can generate the image or videos, but for this you need to paid version. So here you can generate the videos and you also can generate the image. So here just paste it, but I will show you in the free version also. So at first see this. So how can you generate image or video in Shora? So here it is generating. Here you can see the activity. So yeah, so two picture will generate for you. So whatever it is the best result, it will show for you. Then you will choose these results. Okay. So otherwise also you can generate the picture. So here just create like just write generate a picture with this prompt. Already I have I just the ChatGPT have given the prompt, so no need to rewrite. Okay, so just generate a picture with this prompt. Okay, so let's see. So it will take some time moment. Okay, so here it will also take some time, so be patient and just wait for some times. So it will generating the picture of Doraemon and Nobita for you. So how can you generate the prompt? So prompt generating is a very interesting thing, and this is the main thing, believe me my friends. If if the prompt is more correct, your result will be more correct. Okay, so one of the very basic to generate the prompt, just ask the chat gpt. Ask the chat gpt for generating the prompt. It will generate the prompt for you, and then you can edit whatever need. So you can edit as per your choice. So at first just generate the prompt from the chat gpt, then use it according according whatever you want to do. Okay, so here just wait for some times. So you can see it is generating, so it will take some times. Okay, so show a video editor, you can see, or you can see, oh wow, this is one of the good picture, friends. So the prompt is more powerful. Okay, here, so if I write this prompt manually, maybe I'm not able to give the right prompt. So that's why ask the ChatGPT, ask your AI tool to generate the prompt, and you can use the prompt to generate your result. So here prompt has been generated. So just one result, I just download it, and here, okay, so just sorry, just a second. Okay, yeah, it has been downloaded. You can see here. Okay, this is the picture. Okay, now I can convert this picture into the Squid Game picture. Let's try it, friends. So yeah, here it also generating the image. So here I just write convert. So create a prompt. So create a prompt prompt to convert this picture in Squid Game picture. I asked the ChatGPT to create the prompt for me. Okay. So you can use the Sora video editor if you have Sora video or image editor if you have the paid version. Otherwise, you can generate from here. Okay. So just start it. I hope just copy this and just refresh this once again. Just refresh this and just paste it and here and just create the prompt at first. Then I will use this prompt as the Squid Games. Okay, so I don't read this. If you have time, you can read this. I just copy it and here just create. Would you like me to generate this image for you now? Yes. Yes. You can use the upper picture and this prompt and this prompt to generate the picture. Okay, so I asked the ChatGPT to generate a prompt. I asked the ChatGPT to generate a prompt for the basic picture of Doraemon and Nobita. Then I asked the ChatGPT to create another prompt for convert this picture as a Squid Game picture. So let's see. You can read this also. I just leave it and just see what happened. So it is generating friends. So you can also generate this in Sora also, but here you have to, I will show you just here. If you use the Sora, just choose from your folders and just choose it and just copy this prompt from here. Copy this prompt from here. Okay, let's see. Just go to Sora video editor and just, yeah, use select and just paste it. Okay, so just create this another image. So this is more interesting friends, just wait. Okay, so let's see what happened. At first just take a moment. Okay, so ChatGPT paid version is basically a good because you have a Sora video editor or image editor codecs, and also you get the project, and this is more powerful and this will works in a better way. So if you pay for ChatGPT, you if you think it's worthy, actually it's worthy, friends. So yeah, you can buy it, and now you can see the player number 446 is Nobita, player number 209 is Doraemon. Okay, so yeah, you can save it. So our picture has been ready. You can use it or you can animate also this by the Sora video editor if you have the paid version. So in this way you can generating the prompt, and this is the best way, my friends, to generate the prompt. Just ask the ChatGPT to generate a prompt. You do not need to take the help from others to generating the prompt. If you had a basic idea, just write it and ask the ChatGPT what will be the prompt, and it will generating for you. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope okay, just wait for a second. So here also it's generating some image for you, so you can also use the Sora video editor if you have the paid, but this is okay friends. So this is one of the, I just save it. Oh, I download it. Okay, so yeah, the image has been downloaded, so you can see this image. So yes, my friends, this is very good image, you can see now. So here's the Squid Games. The who's ever controlling the Squid Games are the behinds there, and here the player number 209 and 456, Nobita and Doraemon. So you can upload your pic also. So here for privacy, I'm not uploading any person's pic. So you can also upload any person's pic of your pics or your friend's pic. Okay, then you can generate the picture as a Squid Game picture or any type of picture, but it should be follow the rules and regulation as per ChatGPT, friends. Okay, so let's see. So right, it will take some times. Okay, it's ready now. So let's, oh my god, it's, which is better friends, this one or this one? I hope free version is much better now. So prompt, obviously this version has also better. Actually, this is the paid version. That's why the you can see the detailing of the image. So here, yeah, it is used more complex algorithm to generate this picture. Okay, so yes, here you can see the emotion in their picture. Okay, so let's see the emotion of the picture. It is great. So yes, if you use the Sora, then it will be great for you. Otherwise, in this video I just have shown you how to create a prompt and how to generate a good result for you. So thank you friends, thank you watching for this video. See you in next video. So if you like, please watch, subscribe, like, and share. And if you want to learn Python and Django and other web technologies, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Thank you once again.